Today I'm doing a quick review on this buffer polisher. This is an electric one, so you will have to plug it in. It is very nicely made. This is a really substantial buffer, has a really good weight to it, has a very comfortable D handle on it, and you'll see it has a very ergonomic fit to the hand. You've got your buttons here, you have an adjustable speed setting, so you have lots of different speeds that you can do. It's really not very loud whatsoever. We have really enjoyed using it. It also comes with this handle as well, so you have this option if you prefer. We went ahead and buffed out our car. You can see all the dirt and debris that was on the pad. These worked really, really great. My husband does our cars all the time, and when he used this, he said it was awesome. This was the before of our car, and this was the after. You can really see it was shiny and super clean, super sleek. We loved how it turned out. His only complaint about this was that the pad here, the really fluffy pad, tends to lose a little bit of that fluff when you're using it, but it worked fantastic. This is definitely an upgrade compared to the buffer polisher that he already has. This one does come with two heads. One is smaller than the other. So you have this one here that fits the larger, softer pad, and then the foam pads are slightly smaller. So you can see that too. This set comes with two separate of the sponge pads. It comes with one of the buffer pads. And then it also comes with two of these really, really fine, this is P1500 buffing paper. So you can see it comes with two of those. It also comes with a very easy to use instruction manual. This is just a really nice unit. We were really impressed with the quality of how well it's made. The housing is made out of plastic, but it's a really nice substantial plastic. Here are some of the specifications just in case you need those. We are really enjoying this. It is a product that the manufacturer did send me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not, but overall we are really enjoying it and very excited to upgrade our personal polisher.